What's going on, everyone? I want to give you guys a strategy that you guys can sort of look at, on a day-by-day basis. Now, do you get these setups each and every single day? No. Do they always work? Of course not. If they did, I would go all in every single play and be a multi-billionaire because it never failed. But again, the truth of the matter is that they do fail. And you're not always going to make money. But one thing that you can kind of look for is in significant down days or significant up days, you can look for the double bottom, double top reversal. Now, how do you play it? Basically, what you're looking for is an extended move. Okay. And generally speaking, you want to see it happen between the first 1, 2, 3 hours of the market open. Now, sometimes it happens in the first hour. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 hours before this sets up. But what you're looking at is the NQ chart for today. Today is the 5th of March. You're looking at a significant down move. Okay. You're looking at the first bottom. Okay. You see the first bottom here. I have it marked out 17,906. Then you're looking for a little bit of a bounce. Then you want to see it get rejected. In this particular case, it gets rejected at the 20 SMA. Then you want to see the second bottom be put in. This is called a double bottom. From here, what you want to quickly do is analyze the risk, look at the most recent lows from the double bottom. And in this case, it's going to be 17,906. In this particular case, I would use a stop loss of 17,900. What's an extra 6 points, right? So what you're looking at here is one bottom, two bottom, and then you're going to tell yourself, you're going to mark these levels out. As soon as we get a green candle here that takes out a previous red, we're going to enter the trade using that double bottom as a max pain stop loss. What are we doing from there? We're going to sit in the trade until we're green. Very, very simple. Now, how many points you want to take is all dependent on how your style of trading is. Do you trade big size? Then maybe you're only looking for 5 points. Do you trade a little bit smaller size? Maybe you need 10 points, 15 points, 20 points. What you want to do is make sure you're locking in profits once we take out a previous swing high. Now, what does that mean? First leg down, bounce, second leg down, double bottom, green candle taking out red. Where is our previous swing high? Here. Where do we get into the trade? Here. Where are we looking to take profits? When we start to test and take out the previous swing high. You need to be getting out here. Now, in this particular case, you would be looking at a move, an entry, somewhere around, give or take where you're getting in at 17,930, 17,940, and it goes all the way up to a high price on this particular candle when we test the swing highs of 17,963. This already is a 23-point move, then continues to ride higher into 74. So we're looking at a 20-30 point run that you could potentially take some profits on. Now it's pulling back. What happens a lot of times is people just think, well, market, is bouncing. These are the lows. I'm going to get in and I'm going to shoot for the high price. Who does that? Forex traders do that. Again, no disrespect to any Forex traders, but does this have to come all the way up here? No, it doesn't. Could it? Maybe. But again, what tends to happen, and I see this a lot on the Forex traders who are coming over to the future side of things, they take this zone, they enter the trade perfectly, and then they set a price target way up here. Well, what happens if it never gets up there and it comes all the way back down and stops you out for break even? You missed out on taking a little bit of cash. Again, if you're coming over to the future side from Forex, guys, over here, the NASDAQ is an absolute beast. This is not like trading, USD, GPU, or whatever you guys trade, right? The euro. This is not like trading that. This is an animal. This is a beast. It moves quickly and it moves rapidly. Again, you can take 10 points, 15 points a day and make decent money and make a living for yourselves. So just make sure you're identifying where to get in, where the hell to take your profits at, and again, handling your risk and your emotions accordingly. Now, again, I would like to see this push up a little bit higher. After we took out this previous swing high, I can see us coming back to kind of back test this zone here and then kind of trickling back up to the high side. But again, if it doesn't do that, I would hope that you guys are at least taking off half size on that move up there. Boom, boom, happy face, everyone's smiling. Again, bears are in full control today. Does that mean that the market's going lower? I don't know. The market's been so red hot lately. The bulls have been in full control here. Every time we do have one of these type of days, the bulls come in and immediately snap them back. But again, this could be the start of a rolling top. We could be looking at some more short opportunities coming up here. I just wanted to kind of point this out that I seen it here. I know one of the members in my Discord actually took this trade, and they're in this trade. So again, you know, while it was fresh in my mind, I wanted to put it out there on YouTube for all of you guys, because maybe you guys can start looking at your charts and start trying to identify these setups. Again, my name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. I have 2 spaces available for the month of March to join the mentorship and the coursework. You guys also get access to the community, access to everything else, access to the one-on-one coaching calls, so forth and so forth. I'd love to see, you know, the next 2 of you guys in the room as soon as possible, so we can get started. I can get familiar with you guys and your style of trading, especially if you're coming over from the forex side of things. Things can be a little bit different. The terminology can be different. Again, would love to trade with you guys and see how you guys kind of analyze the market as well. But again, I'll see all of you guys on the inside. To everyone else, good luck, stay safe, stay green, and make sure that you're controlling that risk.